What's up, watchers? Something a bit different today. We're not on an adventure, we're just out on a day's work. So I don't know if any of you know, but I'm a window cleaner. Not a ladder rat. Not the traditional type of window cleaners. We're pure water fed pole window cleaner. So I'm on my way to Weston Way to pick up water, and then from there I'll show you how we go about that, and then take you on a couple of windows with us. So let's try that again. So our day starts, first I dropped my son off, this morning I've dropped my wife off out with her work, came back, grabbed a quick cuppa, dropped the son off at school, and now my day starts going through to Weston Way to our pure water filling station. I'll go fill my tanks up, and then we'll head to an area called Peatcar in Hetton, and that's where my round is today. So I'll bring you back, show you how the filling station works, and then later on how my window system works. So here we are pulling into where I collect my water from. I mean, quite quick because the car park's on like a 10-minute timer where you can be here for 10 minutes without getting charged. After that they charge you. Okay, so here we go. Just works like a petrol station. So you top up your account, grab the nozzle, and then whoop. Just filling up the second tank now. Each one of my tanks takes 200 litres. Okay, so the tank's full now. Try and do this 100. There we go. Next customer. And that is us. So I'd normally pop into Greg's for a coffee before we start, because we've got a retail park right next to where I fill up. But today I'm working quite close to home, so I'm going to nip home because I need the toilet and have a quick coffee there, and then we'll be out on the windows. And I'll fetch, I'll not show you, well I will show you how we clean the windows. I'll just set you up in the garden, but we'll not be looking through people's windows. Alright, so I'll fetch you back in a second. Okay guys, so I've popped home, I've grabbed a few things that I need. Me protein shake, sunglasses. Sunglasses are a must when you're window cleaning, especially on our bright days. You end up squinting. These houses with the render on, it's amazing how bright they get. So we're just going to call and grab. Coming up now to Snippergate Garage. If you're local, you might recognise it. Let's go get robbed of some money. Fuel prices are ridiculous. Okay, I'll bring it back once I've filled up. Well, I'll not be filling up, can't afford to fill up. Alright, back in. 30 quid later, I'll probably only get about, what have I got? 100 mile in the van. I remember when I first passed my test, a fiver would last us all week. Right, I'm going to show you the app that I use and the round that we got on today. It's only a small round, just 13 houses. Okay, so it's a WC window cleaning app. Come out. Got your rounds there. We're working Peatcar today. The app's pretty good. Once you've done a customer, you click it, it's got paid, and send them a message, adds it all up. Right, after our second one, I couldn't take you to the first one because it was a bungalow, and I just didn't really want like the camera being window level. But I'll bring you out, I'll show you what my setup is, and then show you how I do my windows. You might find it interesting, you might not. I just thought I'd show you a different side of the B Family Chronicles, like what we do Monday to Friday. And also it's practice for me in front of the camera because I'm a bit shy, you know. Marie and Seth's really good at talking like in front of the camera. Seth's just like unnaturally natural. Like he has been doing YouTube for quite a few years now, uploading videos. I think we uploaded his first video when he was about 4 I think. He was a fanatic on dinosaurs, still is, still loves them. Right, so we're just pulling up to our first house in Redlands Drive. There we go. Hey guys, so first of all, gloves. Your hands end up minging at the end of the day, even though you're just holding the pole. I think the carbon fibre comes off the pole. So these are our window clean poles and brushes. It's extendable. We've got 100 metres of reel attached to my water pump. started again because it stopped. Alright, so that's this house complete. I'll leave it recording so you can see how many times your pole actually gets caught. I can't control my camera with my gloves on. Wheelie bins is one of the most awkward things to get past because I always seem to get caught on the wheels. Right, back to the van. Guys, so that's that house done. I'll just open up the app. Connie, ticket is yes done. It sends a text message out to them. I'll play all the personal information. There you go, that's our customer messaged, and hopefully she'll pay promptly. So guys, that was an interesting one. I've done most of my houses now. I thought once you've seen what has cleaned one house, you've seen them all. So I haven't brought you along. But that last house, I had to climb over a garage, and you never guess what I've bumped into on the other side. Only a bloody eagle. I knew it was there, like, but I just thought if you wanted to check it out, it's a guy called Mickey the Hawk on Instagram. So check him out. He's got a few birds, and you see all the hunts and stuff that they do with them. But what a big, magnificent bird it is, like. Right guys, that's me done with the windows. The day got hot. 13 houses down. Hopefully I showed you a little bit about what we do, or what I do. If you need a window cleaner and I'm in your area, Airborough's Windows and Garden Services. Video of a bit different to normal. Hope you liked it. Leave a like, comment and share, and give us a follow if you're not already following. Our content's normally adventurous days out with the family. Alright guys, bye.